we've got a lot of work to do. There's a lot of these. It's been a lot.
I get lost in and out when you walk in and out of my hair.
This is the windiest storm I've ever been in with the van. And we've been in some pretty heavy storms, but this is kind of feels like it's just gonna pick the van right up and toss us over. And I'm really, really, really regretting leaving my chair and my Target outside. Can't sleep, but sometimes I really enjoy storms.
Well, I just finished some coffee, quiet reading time, played with Akela outside, and I'm kind of getting geared up and ready to go into town. This week is a big work week for me. I try to kind of stay on the edge of town so that I can escape out into the desert or out into the wilderness or whatever when I need to, but still have the opportunity to skirt into town and get stuff done. I also need to fill up water, I think a few other things. But first on the docket, I need to take photos for my patrons. I'm sending out Christmas cards this year. Sit. Look at you. You look so good. You look so good. Yeah. Wow, that was a very long work day. I'm gonna take advantage of the fact that I'm in a city, and I'm gonna go pick up Christmas cards for you guys, or for my patrons. And I'm gonna hit a CrossFit class as well because I have not done that in a long time and I want to. It is so fun for me to go and pop in at other gyms and meet new people, and it's such a great community. I know that some people hate the idea of CrossFit, but for an ex-college athlete, it's everything I need. Also, right now I'm eating ice cream, and that is quite a treat. Since I upgraded my solar, I have enough energy to have ice cream in my itty bitty tiny freezer. It only fits these sizes of things, which is really actually a good thing. Okay, Akela is eating dinner right now, and I have, I think, everything I need to get some paw prints on these Christmas cards. So that's the project for tonight. And then I'd love to have some time to drink some tea and read my book. And maybe edit a little bit. But we gotta take care of these paw prints first. How do you want to do this? Because you can't go walking around with black paint on your paw. So you're gonna have to maybe lay down in your kennel? Very good. Yep. Lay down. Okay. You're gonna put your paw on this, and then you're gonna put it on this. And then you're not gonna touch anything else. Can I have this paw? Or you want this paw? Which one? Which one's the money maker? And then we'll do this. It works! Okay, now you can't move until we're all done. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, more paint. You've got a lot of work to do. There's a lot of these. Oh, good job. Look at how good that one is. Shoot. Oh, that was a good one. Except I'm really bad at this. What am I doing wrong? This doesn't even look like a paw print. Oh, that was a really good one. Oh, that was good. I think I'm, like, maybe I'm pressing your paw weird? What do you think? Thank you so much. That was a good one. Well, Akela put in a whole lot of really great work tonight, and the goal is to have these out tomorrow. But I haven't filmed for about 2 full days because Akela and I have just been, basically Akela and I have been waking up early, spending the mornings in the desert, and then just driving into the city, busting out errands, doing all of the behind the scenes stuff, writing so many Christmas cards, doing so much editing. It's been a lot. I just finished work for the weekend. Well, it's Sunday, so I finished work for today. I have the rest of today to hang out and chill. So we are gonna get out of the city. We're still gonna be on the edge of the city though, because I have to mail a bunch of stuff in the morning. So the plan is to go get some groceries, head out to the desert, eat some good food, read a lot, lay in the sun, get a lot of sleep, and then, yeah. And then we're gonna hit the city one last time tomorrow morning. And then we're out of here. I've got a little salad here in a pot because I don't have the energy to cook right now. Should we get some music going? What are you in the mood for?
Back at me, but baby, don't distract me. I get lost in and out when you walk in and out of my hair.
I just watched the sun set right over that peak and it was beautiful. It's cooling off pretty quick. So before it gets too cold, I'm gonna climb this hill that we've got. Did you want to eat right now? I'll wait for you. I gotta wait for Akela to finish her dinner. But I'm gonna climb up there and hang out up there before it gets too cold.
Call it off and don't look back. Take me on.
Wow, look at those colors, Akela. Holy shit.
Worries of yesterday. I can't seem to get away. We were golden, turning blue. I thought you could see it too. Through our hands it slipped away. We were never here to stay. We were so
Home sweet home. I was just about to get into the van for the night, and then I noticed this giant moon rising. Oh my gosh, Akela. Akela. All right, well.
We were so wild and free. We were just kids in love. I gave you the best of me, and all I was asking of you was to never break it.
Good morning. Akela's still waking up a little bit. Takes her a while. Are you still waking up? I'm gonna curl up and read for a little while before going back into town for the last time. Well, I just got out of the post office and it is about noon. I have a 6-hour drive to southern Utah, so I'm gonna grab some food, get some snacks up at the front, and then we are off for a long day of driving. My very first stop once I get into town is going to be Home Depot. I'm gonna pick up a few sheets of birch plywood and all the things that I think I need as of right now to start rebuilding this galley. The next thing you see will be lots of Home Depot runs, me ripping out this galley in my van, and hopefully having a very smooth rebuild. So Akela and I will see you next week.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.